Sizwe ubaba ujabulile lo mfana nje muhle ungathi ikhehla lo mlungu womzukulu wamancengisi. Asibonga kakhulu isupport enhlezeni sinika yona. This is Baba Dawutela Nedbank House Building. Lapho sisebenzela khona sise dark room studio number 1 uzosithola khona. Baba Dawutela umelaphi wendabuko sishifuna ukusho ukuthi umuhle umsebenzi wenu enisinika isupport enisinika yona and size sizibuza ukuthi is it real kodwa ngempela kuyikona. Kodwa ngempela kuyikona. Siyabonga ke. Siyabonga ngoba umuntu ongabonga uyanyaza. Ake singene emsebenzini. Lento it sound a little bit odd, sound a little bit stupid, but it has to be said. Misishiwo wena uzoyidigest. They have misled us about the demons. Abasitshela ngene besifuna ukuthi siyazi. Basitshela into ebefuza ukuthi sizwe nokuthi futhi siyazi. Angikhulume nje amademoni asinayo history phelele yawo, asiyazi na inception yawo futhi amademoni. Asitholi we according to the creation of the universe ukuthi adalwa ngolwesingaki. What make them to exist if ukhonde njalo? Like ake sikhulume ngeinyoka. Sikhuluma ngenyoka, inyoka izokulimaza. Do you know that there are more than 40 snakes that are non-venomous? There are more than 40 snakes. Angena poison. They don't even kill a person. Let me surprise you. Do I need to surprise you? Ngithanda nosisi wakho. Okay, I guess we learn. Anaconda does not eat a human being. It was for us to watch it on a big screen. Anaconda imudla umuntu. Yabo. Anaconda ayimudla umuntu. Into edlayo mina ngidla usisi wakho. Nina be serious kakhulu. Okay. More than 40 ways wenyoka. Asinawo poison. More than 40 wenyoka mayibona umuntu uziyabaleka. I repeat, more than 40 of those snakes, when they see a human being, they run away. They're scared of us, but we don't know that. They're harmless to us. Come to demons. Come to demons. Not all demons are what you think. Not all. Demons are everywhere. Demons are everywhere. Did you know that ukuthi kunamademon asemanzini?